Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch your BMW M4. First, ensure your engine is at its optimal operating temperature for peak performance. Next, select your preferred driving mode, often Sport Plus, and then fully disable traction control. This setup prepares your vehicle for maximum power delivery and a thrilling acceleration experience. To activate launch control, firmly press the brake pedal with your left foot. Simultaneously, fully depress the accelerator pedal with your right foot. Hold both pedals down until you see the launch control flag or message appear on your instrument cluster, indicating the system is ready. Once launch control is active, quickly and smoothly release the brake pedal. The car will then launch with maximum acceleration. Keep the accelerator pedal fully depressed throughout the launch. If you are in manual mode, be prepared to shift gears precisely to maintain optimal power delivery. After a thrilling launch, it is important to allow your vehicle's components to cool down properly. Avoid performing repeated launches in quick succession, as this can cause excessive wear on the drivetrain. Always practice using launch control in a safe, controlled environment away from public roads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.